Get it, Gary. How you doing? Oh, okay. Yeah, whatever you touch, bro. We're doing whatever my dog touches, I buy. We're looking pretty broke. I don't think Mia knows what's going on. Mia has already loaded the cart this much, and now we're in the toy section. Oh, that's the squirrel. That's a 50-pound bag of dog food right there. Mia, did you hear me? A minute and 34 seconds. Go. Waterfowl, full. Pig food, full. Get it, Gary. All right, hush everyone, ready? Fresh water. Oh, hey. They got fresh water and food. What's up, King? How you doing, bud? How you doing? Oh, okay. Fresh hay inside the pig house. Big pigs have fresh hay in their house, and they're eating over there. Mia, what do you think? Where's your brother? Koa! Here he comes. Oh, the little pigs. Out the hole. They don't know that I know they're under the tarp. You guys think you can die? The 1,000-gallon looks amazing, so clear. I just did like a 50% water change on that thing 2 days ago. What is going on, Cuffaro? Welcome back to another video. If you remember, a couple weeks ago, I partnered up with Live Aquaria. We gave $2,000 to a handful of people to go shop on liveaquaria.com, and I have the winners. Lauren, not a great start. McGregor, $1,000. Alicia, $200. Mike, $200. Bella, $200. Elijah, $200. And Johnny, $200. I'm sure they had a blast spending that on live plants, fish, corals, whatever they may have bought. As a matter of fact, you're probably watching, so thank y'all for entering. But Live Aquaria has Black Friday and Cyber Weekend deals going on right now. From the 26th of this month to the 28th of this month. So you only have 2 days. 50% off doorbusters with limited quantities. On the 26th, wall supplies last. And also 40% off customer favorites throughout the entire weekend. So go to liveaquaria.com. Don't miss the biggest sale of the year. That is, again, liveaquaria.com. The links are right down below, and go get yourself live coral, fish, plants, you name it, they've got it. The giveaway winners are chosen, and they've got some killer deals for you. So go check it out. Links in the description. Today's video is awesome. I actually did this video with a goat before, my goat Boots, and it killed it. So I decided, let's do it again with my dog. So without further ado, here we go. Bringing my dog to the pet store, and whatever that little nose touches, we buy. All right, Mia, you ready to go? Koa, I'm sorry, you are not the chosen one, as we say. Come on, Mimi. Come on. Oh, golly. Let's go. You want to go shopping? You get to choose anything you want at the store, okay? Second it. I open this. Yeah, whatever you touch, bro. We're doing whatever my dog touches, I buy.
That sounds like a horrible idea.
Yes, Mia, it's okay. It's not a real dog. It's fake. Look, Mia, it's not real. Okay. Oh, it comes with the blanket too. Well, you really like this, huh? Dog bed, first thing we have to buy. On the move again. What are you gonna touch next? Ooh, that was close. She just touched the mega bone. The mega bone, dude. Mia knows what she's touching. This is this one's probably at least like a $20 bone. Mia, don't touch. Oh, she just touched another one. We gotta get this one too. Let's go. Let's keep going. Let me tell this dog. Oh. What is this, dude? Now, I brought Mia because Mia has a much better personality than Koa when it comes to like action stuff. Koa's a lot shyer. He doesn't like tile floor, so Koa would be like walking like this the whole time. So we brought Mia. Oh, you see, oh wow. Okay, all 3 of these. We'll grab one of each. Mia, you want one? Here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. Oh boy. Frosted snowmen dog cookies. Oh, she just touched that too. Frosted treats, 12 count. Oh, she knocked this one off the thing. Mia, you're really gonna make me go broke here. Marion Bright. Oh no, what did she just, oh gosh. What's this? This is the section I like. Look where she's at. We've been here for probably like a minute and 30 seconds. We're looking pretty broke. I don't think Mia knows what's going on. Mia has already loaded the cart this much, and now we're in the toy section, which is gonna be very interesting. Oh, she's a big big dog toy. This is actually something they will eat and use. They'll chew on this thing nonstop. Going, bud, you're in the toy section. Like, you're spoiled. Just walks right past everything. Let's not. That's $120, so we're gonna turn this way. You almost touched the cage. That would be unnecessary to buy. I did cheat, I'm not gonna lie. Mia, look at this wall of toys. You see all those toys? That is all to you. If you were to jump on that wall and run down it, I'd go broke. Do me a favor and do that. My pep dog didn't do anything. Pineapple! That is a good toy too, although they're gonna destroy that. That goes in the cart. Mia, look at this Nerf gun. Is that not cool? What is that? When I actually want something. Mia, what is this? Look at it, Mia. Oh, I have to buy it. Nothing. Just walking right by everything. Where's the other dogs? Mia, look at all these tennis balls. Oh, she touched it. She touched it. A whole lot of squeaky and tennis balls. This would be perfect. Oh. Now you tell me, does the pet store know people are gonna come in and do this challenge? Because look, every price at the bottom shelf, 30, 25. Bruh. Or, yeah, I need help. 35. All the prices at the bottom are expensive. Did you almost touch something? You're going by $70 beds now. You are such a smart woman. Is it just in women's jeans or something? Hey, look at all these toys, look. Oh, touch the squirrel. Hey, look, anything else here interest you? Oh, yeah, oh, well, we already got one of those, but we will buy one of these. That's awesome. Oh, it squeaks. I'm getting all these puppies riled up. I think we give it another, let's give it another 5 minutes on the clock. So 5 more minutes, Mia has to go shopping right now. Mia, you got 5 minutes on the clock. Fish section. This is where I want to be, let me tell you. Mia, pick anything, man.
You totally raised her.
Did I buy one of those yet? I don't think I did. I don't even know what this is. Oh. That's a 50-pound bag of dog food right there. I gotta go back to the cart now. We got 1 minute and 34 seconds left. Mia, did you hear me? 1 minute and 34 seconds. Go. Oh. You touched 2 of them? Well, you probably got about 30 seconds, so come on. Oh. Oh. That's a big old toy. Can't touch this. Oh, she touched it. Am I making myself go broke here? It's up. That's it, folks. You did a great job, buddy. You did a good job. I'm gonna turn that off. You ready to see the total? Yeah. That is a whole cart load. I'm most excited for Mia touching this thing. She 100% touched it on her own. Look at it, Mia. We got balls. We got another thing of balls. Massive bones. You thought that bone was big? An even bigger bone. This was her first item she touched. And everything we don't use for my 2 dogs, we are bringing to Peggy Adams, which is a animal shelter nearby, and the rest of it will be donated. All right, come on, Mia, let's check out, see what our damage is.
Do you want to give the fans your phone number?
Yes, 561.
That didn't, that's fine.
Oh, it's 561. 7.
She didn't touch that one.
You can't tell me this is not just so baller. The best thing we bought. And last but not least, it's really not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. There it is. There's the damage. So our total was $239. We actually forgot to charge the dog food, so it'll probably be around. That is the total damage by Mia, right there. We were in there so long it's dark outside now. That's kind of crazy. Mia, you're gonna be back there with all your toys, all right? Here we go. Come on, load up. And all right, pups. Come on in, Taylor, with all the goods. Look at all this, yeah! Taylor, what do you think? You weren't there when I went shopping.
I wasn't. I'm excited to see everything you got.
That I can't wait to use at the farm. I could just be, pew! Koa, I know you're gonna like this one. You already had a treat. It still has a tag on it, Koa. Here, Koa. Yeah, Koa's a big toy guy. There he goes. That whole thing's his. He said, that's mine. We're gonna give the 2 big bones to the shelter. This bed is obviously not gonna fit the dogs. Yeah, we'll give this to the shelter because a pup will definitely need this and like this. Now I thought, Tay, since we already have a lot of balls, when Mia touched this was good for the shelter. There we go. Mia, you donated all this. Not me, you did this. A lot of this is gonna be for the animals. This as well. This is like a little
ferret, honestly.
Oh, we could give this to the ferret. Oliver, hey buddy. Oh, a nice yawn. Here you go, bud. These tennis balls squeak. You're standing, dude. You just stood up. We got this too, and cookies. Look at these treats, Christmas treats. This, the dogs will love. What is that? Another thing. Oh, dude, he's so stoked right now. He's like, does not know what's going on.
He's big toy guy.
Oh, isn't that cute?
That's so
Mia, for some reason, touched this. I don't know why she wanted it, but.
I wish we had a dog small enough.
Spin.
Good boy.
Huh? Speak. 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 Yeah.
Boy.
That's gonna be his favorite, 100%. There's toys all over the living room. Oh, yeah. Look at him. And Mia is completely distracted with that little tiny $1.70 bone.
If she can eat it and digest it, that's all she cares about.
Look at this.
I was gonna love that too.
You don't want shelter animals to have anything, do you?
Don't say that.
I'm gonna say.
He's in heaven right now.
Oh yeah, go. Oh, Mia wants it. Look at all these toys. You guys are so spoiled. Oh, sorry, Koa. His tail's wagging. Oh, not when Mia's around the toys.
Oh, did you see him?
Watch that tennis ball.
Don't.
You flinched. Oh, I got karma. That was sick, dude. This is the best purchase ever. Hey, Mia, thank you. Thank you for this one, Mia. All I know is this is gonna be the best thing ever at the farm. I could just blast these balls into the sky. Well, that was, I consider, very successful. I am going to be giving away all of this to the shelter. You can follow me on Instagram at Paul Cuffaro if you do want to see that. I'll make sure to film it on there. Subscribe down below. Smash that like button if you want to see me do like maybe a goose, Gary. Imagine a geese inside of a pet store. I'd definitely get kicked out. Imagine a pig in the treat section. Oh gosh. If you want to see something like that, smash the like button. Maybe we'll go with like 30,000 likes and we'll do this again. Check out the merch, top link in the description. Cop it now while you can so you get it before Christmas. I'll see you in the next one, Cuffaros. Peace! Koa destroyed the toy, and inside the toy was another toy. What? Hey!